Good morning, Jonathan. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Jonathon Whaley, an extraordinary gentleman in the Hawker Hunter. Without doubt, the most beautiful jet fighter designed by anybody at any time. Remember I was talking about the designer of the Hawker Hurricane, Sidney Cam? Same guy. Sidney Cam designed this as well, and just look at it. Well, that's where the gun tray, the big magazine, sits. The whole thing just drops straight out. Enters 1 through 6. Entered service with the Royal Air Force as their standard day fighter, armed with 4 30mm cannons under the nose. A very special feature of this aeroplane: when is a fighter aeroplane vulnerable? When it's sitting on the ground, being refueled and rearmed. So, Hawker's got around that problem. They put all the guns and the ammunition in a big magazine. Rolls-Royce Avon won out, and that's the engine you're listening to now. 10,600 pounds of thrust. Now, as he was turning across us there, did you hear a sort of woo noise, a sort of ghostly howl? That's the famous blue note. The air intakes for the Rolls-Royce Avon engine are actually in the leading edges of the wing, just next to the fuselage. They're triangular, and at certain angles of attack and certain power settings, they make this lovely sort of woo. Ah. I don't know if you saw that. This is Jonathon Whaley's style for you. As he made that slow pass, he actually had the canopy back and was waving to us. Very World War II fighter pilot style. That's Jonathon all over for you, that is. He loves this aeroplane.